today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shape text in Canva. Canva is an incredibly versatile tool for creating graphics, and giving your text unique shapes and styles is a great way to make your designs pop. Whether you're designing a poster, a social media post, or any other visual content, adding some flair to your text can make a huge difference. Let's dive in and explore how you can achieve that. First, you'll want to access Typecraft in Canva. Go ahead and open a new design or an existing one you're working on. Navigate over to the toolbar on the left-hand side of your screen where you should see the Typecraft button. If you don't immediately spot it, don't worry, it's possible you haven't added it yet. Simply click on the app section in the toolbar where you can search for and add Typecraft to your available tools. Once that's all set, you're ready to go. With Typecraft accessible, it's time to start typing your text. Select Typecraft, then click in the text box area on the canvas where you'd like your text to appear. This is where you'll type in whatever text you need for your design. Consider the length of your text and how it might interact with the shape you choose. Sometimes less is more when it comes to readability and aesthetics. And next, it's time to select a font for your text. Fonts play a critical role in your final design's look and feel. Canva provides a wide range of fonts, so you're sure to find something that fits your style. Click on the font tool from the formatting options, usually found at the top of your Canva page. Scroll through the list, and when you find one that resonates with your theme, click to apply it. Pay attention to the style you're aiming for, whether it's elegant, bold, playful, or minimalistic. Once your font is set, let's add some highlighting. Highlighting can add emphasis or create visual interest by making certain sections of your text stand out. Select the text you want highlighted, then click on the highlight tool. You can adjust the color of the highlight to ensure it complements the rest of your design. Finally, enhance the overall design by adding elements. Click on the Add Element option in the toolbar where you can choose from a variety of shapes, lines, and illustrations. Use these elements to frame your text or create interesting backgrounds that enhance your design. And there you have it. This simple yet effective method can dramatically transform the appearance of your text and make your Canva designs truly eye-catching and memorable. Happy designing!